Hello, bearded bee people. Welcome back to B&K Bees. Today is June 2nd, I think, and I'm sorry I have not come out with a video in what's probably like 10 days at this point. But it's been crazy. It's been nuts. I'm chasing swarms. I'm trying to get this stuff split up as quickly as I can, trying to get caught up so that I can get mite treatments on all these hives. Trying to graft and get these mating nucs populated, and there's just been honestly no time for me to waste or to dedicate to videos during the day. I've been able to, I've been forced to work a lot. So now the mite treatment should be going on tomorrow. I'm done with splitting, other than emergency stuff when and if I see swarm cells. The mating nucs are largely populated. And today I'm grafting and pulling some cells, and that's pretty much it. So I have an opportunity to make a video. So over here are our cell builders. The far right one is not a builder anymore. I gave them a cell. I think I gave that far left one a cell as well. That one has a graft in it. That's what we're grafting into today. That has a graft in it. That will get a graft in a couple of days. So what I've been doing is running 2 graft rounds through these and then giving them a cell from their second one. And then I'll move them out to a different yard and replace them with a new builder. So I've already pulled out the graft frame from there. I gave it to them yesterday to sort of make it smell nice like a hive should, and to bring it up to temperature and polish all of the cups. So I delivered that frame to them yesterday, and I just pulled it out and checked to see if they had a virgin queen or any queen cells, because there have been things that I've been missing in my haste. So I wanted to make sure that there was nothing in there that would prevent them from making cells the way I intend them to. So now I'm going to search for a suitable graft frame, a donor frame, and I think I'm going to start off right here. Okay, so this is just a symptom of what I've been talking about. They're bringing in the nectar too fast, and I have too many bees. So there's a lot of clogged frames, unfortunately. This yard particularly, because they were given honey boxes with 3 or 4 drawn frames up above the queen excluder, which is causing some issues. So I've got to get to this yard within the next couple of days. But I have to do mite treatments as well, so who knows how I'll deal with this. Regardless, it took a long time. It took like 4 hives to find a suitable graft frame. But I found one, so I'm going to brush these bees off real quick and then get to grafting. Alright, so that took about 23 minutes. Like my fancy headdress or headwear for grafting. I can't do it inside anymore, so I needed some ability to be able to see the larvae. I used to take one contact out and then put my face really close to the frame because I'm nearsighted, and that worked for a while, but it's not so feasible doing it in the truck like that. So I got a jeweler's loop, as was recommended by Randy Oliver. Okay, so now I need to harvest some cells. Those are going to come out of here. Alright, so here we are at our nuke yard. I think we have 91 or 92 nukes down here right now. These are mating nukes. I'm going to start populating our mini mating nukes from these 5 framers. But these are where those cells that I'm grafting and that I harvested earlier today are going. And if you are ordering queens from us, these are where they will come from. If you are ordering queens, get on there now. It says back ordered right now. I'm going to change that in a second. But they will be shipping within the next week. So probably next Monday we will be shipping out a bunch of queens. So if you want to get on that list, go to beekeeping.com. Also, with the reduction in the stay-at-home orders, we are holding beekeeping classes. So if you're interested in beekeeping classes, once again, beekeeping.com, or shoot me an email. We're doing discounted private classes, so you can bring 3 people for $200, hang out for a day in a bee yard and learn and ask questions and chat and do some work, and should be pretty fun. So if you're interested in that or queens, head to bkbees.com. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Get out there and have some fun with your bees. See ya.